Samsung's One UI 8.5 leaks hint at the boldest redesign Galaxy users have seen in years. While many Galaxy owners are still waiting for the stable One UI 8 rollout, excitement is already shifting toward One UI 8.5 as fresh leaks and rumors surface online. Let's break down the new features and changes this update could bring. Quick Settings Overhaul. The One UI 8.5 Quick Settings panel delivers full flexibility. Users will be able to freely resize, remove, or rearrange toggles and widgets. Even better, it works in both vertical and horizontal layouts, offering unmatched personalization for your Galaxy's interface. Lock Screen Clocks. Samsung is preparing at least 3 new clock designs for the lock screen. These unique layouts expand customization options, giving Galaxy fans more control over how their device looks. Smoother animations. Early testing on the Galaxy S25 Ultra with One UI 8.5 shows off noticeably smoother animations. App launches, quick setting toggles, notifications, and widgets all feel more polished and fluid compared to previous builds. Refined notifications. The update introduces a frosted or blurred glass effect behind lock screen notifications. This improves visibility while also adding a sleek, premium touch to the interface. Predictive Back Gesture. With One UI 8.5, the predictive back gesture may finally be enabled by default instead of being hidden in LADs. Users will instantly see where a swipe will take them, making navigation more intuitive. Gallery Redesign. The Gallery app is getting a cleaner and friendlier design. Buttons are now larger for easier tapping, and album headers preview the latest photo or video instead of showing just plain titles. It's a subtle but welcome, almost iOS-like touch. Camera App Tweaks. The camera app layout looks familiar, but the settings menu has been reorganized. Video-related controls like formats, audio, and dual recording are grouped together, while watermark and motion photo options are now easier to find. Settings App Overhaul. One UI 8.5 brings a major refresh to the Settings app with rounded menus and wider spacing. Smoother transitions. A bottom position search bar for quicker access. The battery menu has also been redesigned, now showing percentage with smart indicators, red when low and a green leaf icon in power-saving mode. Meanwhile, the software update menu gets a bold new look. It highlights the One UI 8.5 logo on a colorful accent background in dark mode, featuring a large Check for Updates button with other options tucked into a More menu. Samsung has yet to confirm these details officially, but internal test builds suggest the company is preparing a significant update for Galaxy devices. More information should surface soon, so stay tuned. What are your thoughts on this? Let me know in the comments section.